Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook profile has some issues. Now, quick one guys, for this one, obviously if your Facebook profile has some issues, you need to go ahead and clear the cache and also the data. So you don't need to open up the Facebook itself. Just come over here to settings. When you come to settings, come to app management. After that, choose app list. Now once you choose app list, you then wait for your settings to finish uploading up your apps. Alright, so it's loading. We're going to wait for it, and then once it's done loading, just come over here to search bar and then search for Facebook. So click on Facebook or tap on Facebook. After that, tap on storage, clear cache and also clear the storage. Now once you do that, you'll have fixed the profile issues on your Facebook. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe.